M0FXB, welcome to my channel. Icom 52, Kenwood D74, soon to be the D75, and the RS M1A app. Let's send photographs from this radio to this radio. We could go over a reflector, and we're going to download the app. Just tap the app. When it opens up, it will say to you, the configuration will ask you what system you're going to use. And if you're using the D74, which I am, between the app and the D74, you select other. There's no need to select it on the 52 because the 52 is nice and easy. If we back out completely, just to a normal screen here, and if I hold down main and dual, that's our dual receive. Just go on the A band, select VFO, type in the frequency by just pressing the V button and then turn, and we're testing this on 145 and all the noughts, enter. And then the mode, change your mode to DV, as you can see there, and make sure there's no shifts. Press quick and just make sure that all your shifts are turned off, look, plus or minus. You're basically creating a digital channel 14500. Otherwise, you would just select the DR mode as normal, hold down DR, and you'd actually send it over a reflector, but we're not going to do that now. Then you go to your D74, exactly the same. You're just going to go to the VFO mode, which is pressing the number 1. And to get it into D-star mode, you need to just go F, then mode. And you need to get to this menu. If you don't go straight to this menu, let's just zoom in because it's quite important. You won't be able to switch. And see where it says voice data. So you toggle around. You get to voice data. When you select enter, it takes you back to the transmit screen, and you're looking for the word data to be on screen. It's not on screen now. So to get to that menu again, we need to go F menu and then data. And you see data now. If you haven't got this secure screen, go menu, go to, again, you want to, let me go, this is the bit that you got to get right. So we'll go back. We'll hit digital, and we're on a normal screen, okay? 145000. Then we'll select digital. We got digital now. If you don't get that and you get the DR window come up, then go F menu, go to the left and see where it says DVDR, select that. And it's now taken us back to DR mode. We don't want to use DR mode. Now this would work if we were going to go over a reflector, but we don't. We want to go just radio to radio, so we don't bother anyone. So just go F menu. This is the digital function menu, and then just you toggle to it. Yeah, you go to DVDR, but then you don't select it and then select it again. You just press it once. It takes you back to the screen, and you're now just basically on this frequency, but you're in DV mode. Okay, that's how we get there. Then you want to turn on your Bluetooth, so you go menu, go to the settings cog, Bluetooth, and select it, and you want it on, okay? So you've turned that on. Next thing we're going to do is go to our app. I'll try and get us back to the beginning part, because obviously I've already set mine up. So let's exit, click OK. Then we'll hit it again. Yeah, it's done it, so that's good. You want it to get to the screen where it asks you what radio you're going to use. And then so we're going to choose other Bluetooth. Now you can use a cable. We've got the 2350 cable, but you use it on the Icom 51. You don't really need it on these radios. So just select other Bluetooth. Okay, click OK. We're not going to use cable. I think with the 52 you could use a normal USB cable, but with the Kenwood you need to use a special cable, but you may as well use Bluetooth. Click OK, and then it will connect, and it's because it's paired before. Otherwise you're looking for it to pair to the 74. Hopefully you'll get a little Bluetooth thing saying connected. Now if you're having fun trying to pair, I'm not going to unpair mine. You just go menu, go settings, enter Bluetooth, go down and try both. I put it into pairing mode and see if it will pair that way. And I think that's about it. Just keep trying to pair it. And that's what you do. Eventually it pairs, you know. And then we'll go menu. So they're all paired. Try to make sure now you need to have data back on the screen. So you go F, menu, voice data. And you want data. So you want data on the screen. You need DV. You want the same frequency. Both radios on DV. The Bluetooth to be light blue with the word data. You do need SD cards in. And then on the actual app, once you've got the app, say you're going to send it from this radio to here, you select send. If you want it to receive, so if you want to go send it the other way, on the nice thing about the Icom, you don't need the app. You just go menu, toggle around and select picture. And you're literally ready to go. You can hold your finger on these to actually no, you can't hold your finger, it's not a touchscreen. You can enter to select a picture. There is actually an app. I'll find you the app. I'll click no. Let's go back because I'm faffing now. I'll show you the app that sends photographs ready-made to the 52, and then so we'll go back to this. We're going to send a picture. So you need to hold your finger on the app. Gallery, choose one. It crops it for you. Save. You select the quality. Click OK, and then you literally go start transmitting, and it starts to send it. You get the warning, or you go to receive, and it receives. And I attached a couple of videos where I was doing that. I'm going to show you this picture sending app. This is the app, ST4001A for Android. They do make apps for iOS, but I'm not really sure how reliable they are. Click open. And then what this does, you can hold it down, select photograph, let's go camera, select something, anything, that'll do, crop it. It sort of gets it ready, you can give it a name. It writes on the actual screen, send, and then you'll go using Bluetooth, click OK. And as providing you've got Bluetooth paired to, it definitely works with the 52. I haven't tried it with the 74. I'll try that separate because they are paired now, but it's saying no. Allow using Bluetooth, transfer devices. Oh, there it is there. It is going to let me. Click OK. And the quality, it's like it's lost its Bluetooth connection. So when you're paired, I will try and pair. We managed to get a blue light again. It still says data, that's important. Let's try again. They are, Bluetooth connection. It's actually sending it, I'm pretty sure. I think it's sending it to my 52. It said message there, didn't it? So anyway, tinker around with it. It should get it to your, it should send it to your SD card really. So I'll attach a couple of videos of this working, and then the main thing is don't give up, keep trying. Now let's transmit a photograph from the Icom 52 wireless. The Kenwood D74 is wirelessly connected using Bluetooth to the RSM1A app. Everything's configured. Let's send. We've selected receive on the app. Select the quick button. TX to all, go down one. TX to all. Click OK. It goes into transmit. At the moment we're just in a simplex mode. Now we've selected low quality so that it's doesn't take too long for the video. There you are, 145 DV. No, we could do this on a reflector, but we're not going to. We've just sent a picture. There's no wires in this configuration at all. Bluetooth, everything is Bluetooth, and we've just received the photograph. Thanks for watching. So let's hit transmit, RSM1A, D74, 52, start. Click OK, and we're trying to send it from here to here. Keep watching. And it's worked. Sending a picture using the RS-M1A app via the Kenwood D74 Bluetooth, no wires to the 52, which receives a photograph, and then we can send it back if we want. Thanks for watching M0FXB.